All right, guys, thank you so much for your reflections. Thank you for filling out that Google form and for your honesty and openness on the Jamboards. I hope you went through and were able to look at some of your classmates as well and just kind of get a sense for where are we? Where are we at, right? And I think it's a really good visual of just how things are going for us, okay? So the last thing I want to say is, as we're moving forward, this is a fresh start going into the next quarter. We don't have to worry about all of this chaos and navigating and all these things. We know what we're doing now. Our learning routines are pretty solid. And so I'm going to encourage you to really hold tight to that I will statement. I will get out of bed on time for English class. I will complete my work during English class time. Like whatever that might be for you, we're really going to hold tight to that. I put a quote on here that my parents said to me many times growing up, and it was not always my favorite to hear, but it definitely has shaped who I am today. If nothing changes, nothing changes, right? And I would get so frustrated when they would say that to me, but it's true, right? If nothing changes, nothing changes. So think of this as a great opportunity to move forward, keep doing the good things you're doing, and then dig in a little bit to maybe what does need to change, right? And get into that I will statement and let's live it. You are the one that is in the driver's seat here. You are the one that can make that happen, and I am here to support and celebrate you along the way. So really hold tight to that, guys, and starting on the 19th, on Monday, we will look forward to a fresh start, all right? I hope you enjoy your 3-day weekend, and thank you for your hard work on this.